In this Unity tutorial, I'll show you how to create a quit button, so when you click the button, the game will quit. So let's get started. So right here I have a very simple scene. It just has a main camera and directional light, and then it has a canvas with a button that says quit. And when I hit play and I click on the button, right now nothing happens. So let's create the script for the quit button. So right click in the assets, then go to create and do mono behavior script. I'll just call it quit button. Call it whatever you want. Now open that up. And in here we'll delete the start and update function, and then we'll add a public void, which I will call quit game. And then in here all I'll do is write application.quit, and that's basically all the code. So if we now head back into Unity and we click on our button and scroll down, we can now drag our quit button script onto that. And then on our button component we have this onClick event. We can hit the plus icon, then drag the quit button onto here, click on no function, go to quit button and choose quit game, which is the function we just created. So click that, and now when we hit play and we click right here, still nothing happens, but that's because we haven't built the game. So we can't actually quit the application right now, because that would mean that we quit the actual Unity editor. But don't worry, because when you build the game, it will quit perfectly. So I hope you like this simple tutorial, and also if you're a beginner in Unity and you have a hard time with all these Unity tutorials on YouTube, then check out my paid community in the link in the description, where there's courses and all kinds of cool things. You can get a 7-day free trial in there to see if you like it. But yeah, have an amazing day.